The Sky is Falling, written by Katie Knight, illustrated by Joe Bodie. A nut falls from a tree. The nut hits Rabbit. Rabbit runs to tell Fox. The sky is falling, says Rabbit. Fox runs to tell Bear. The sky is falling, says Fox. Bear runs to tell Squirrel. The sky is falling, says Bear. Squirrel runs to tell Deer. The sky is falling, says Squirrel. Deer runs to tell Mouse. The sky is falling, says Deer. Mouse runs to tell Wise Old Owl. The sky is falling, says Mouse. No, it is not, says Wise Old Owl. A nut fell, says Wise Old Owl. It hit Rabbit on the head.